Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you an easy trick to join vertices as shown in this tutorial. So let's get started. We have selected all those vertices, surrounding those unselected ones at the center as shown in our tutorial. Hit empty merge by distance and go over here to click to expand this drop down menu as shown here, and make sure that you set the distance to 0.05 like this, and make sure that you check unselected like this. It's gonna be merging all those vertices without doing it manually and waste a lot of time by merging one by one. That's it. Thanks for watching.